All right, guys, Furtado here, and today we're gonna make some homemade slime. I wanted to learn how to do this homemade cool science experiment because my nephew loves playing with things like Play-Doh and clay and stuff like that. So we're gonna make some homemade slime, and all we're gonna need is some glue and some contact solution, baking soda, and of course some sort of food coloring. So here I have some water and some baking soda, and I've just stirred that all up. What I'm going to do is I have this empty plastic container, and I'm going to take my glue, going to open it up. I'm going to pour, depending upon how much slime you want to make, depends on how much you're going to pour in. So I'm going to make just a nice little handful of slime. So that's probably about half of a bottle of the contact solution. I'm sorry, half the bottle of the glue. This is about 3 tablespoons of water and 2 tablespoons of baking soda, but the exacts aren't necessarily necessary. I'm going to add in some green food coloring to the glue. So get some green food coloring in there, get a nice greeny type color. Oops, so many home experiments, I'm running out of food coloring. All right, so get the food coloring, stir it all up, and in with the glue. All right, and then take the baking soda and water. Make sure that is stirred well so that you get the baking soda in there. If you have to, scrape the baking soda down some so that you can make sure the baking soda gets in there if it isn't all mixed in. Set that to the side. Gonna keep mixing. So mix the glue and the water and the baking soda together till you have a pretty decent mixture. And then just start putting in some of the contact solution. And really what happens is as soon as the contact solution goes in, you can just start to see it coagulate. You can start to kind of see it make something that looks like slime. So you put a little in, then you stir it up. You put a little more in. Depending upon how much glue, baking soda, water, all of that you made will kind of depend on how long or how much contact solution you need in order to get everything to come together. As you keep watching, you can see it's coming together more and more and more. All right, yes. I'm gonna put one more little squirt in. And then eventually what you wanna do is you want to go ahead, and as you can see, it's not sticking to the sides anymore. Eventually what you're gonna do is you're gonna take it out with your hands, and this is the best part because you kind of get to be a little messy. Nothing wrong with that. All right, and you can see you have some awesome slime that you can work with. You can let it sit and it will dry for a little bit before you use it again, and then it's pretty much ready to go. So you've got this homemade slime. The more contact solution you put into it, the tougher it'll get. I might have put a little bit too much in. The less contact solution you put in, or saline solution, the less saline solution you put in, it'll stay a little bit slimier, or a little bit less tough. All right. So hope you guys are having fun doing some cool